This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about coffee carafes, specifically these Restpresso glass coffee servers or carafes. And we have the 22 ounce and the 25 ounce size, giving you some different options for coffee service, either self-service for guests, or if you're taking it out to a table where you maybe want multiple cups of drip coffee. So these are great for little drip coffee setups, and they have markers on the sides so that you know your approximate volume and servings that you're getting. They've got a great little pour handle for easy pouring and handling while the coffee is hot in there, plus a great little spout. They also have a cover that has a nice little silicone rim to it, so it fits down in there securely and helps to keep your coffee hot or cold, whatever the case may be, and also keeps it from spilling, so it makes it easy to transport from the counter to a table. The clear glass also lets you know when customers are running low to see if you need to check on them, if they need a refill or not. And these are great for cafes and coffee shops, or just if you're looking to step up your coffee game at home and you're looking to do some fun drip style coffees.